May I request Professor Dr. V.C. Vivekanandan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, to deliver the welcome address and present the report of the University.
Good evening to all of you. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome all of you for this solemn occasion of the 6th Convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University today. We have today with our visitor, Honorable Justice Aniruddha Bose, Judge, Supreme Court of India, a well-known jurist, to preside over this convocation. I had the privilege of interacting with him earlier when he was the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jharkhand. And as a visitor, he has guided us at every stage of planning this event, and we are thankful for such support. Sir, we welcome you on behalf of HNLU fraternity. We have with us Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Bhupesh Baghel. Usually, Vice Chancellors use platforms like this to request support from Chief Ministers. But I am not going to ask any support. The reason being, for the year 23-24, we requested a support of rupees 14 crore from the state government, but Honorable Chief Minister sanctioned an amount of 22 crores. It is not just to HNLU, but 19% of the budget outlay for education, which in my opinion will be a universal record. Sir, we welcome you today with a big thanks for your gesture towards education as a key to development. We have with us Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Judge, Supreme Court of India, who has been a guiding force since the inception of HNLU in 2003. And we are fortunate to have his mentorship for the last 20 years in various capacities at our councils. Sir, we welcome you to the first major event in Chhattisgarh after your elevation to the Supreme Court. We should have had Honorable Attorney General of India, Sri R. Venkatramani, but due to some important assignment, last minute he couldn't come. We wish that he'll be there soon with us in the next convocation. Then we have our beloved Chancellor, Honorable Justice Mr. Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh, who mentors HNLU proactively and has approved every aspect of this event and will be conferring the degrees to the graduating students today. Sir, we welcome you on behalf of the HNLU fraternity and look forward to your guidance and mentorship in our future affairs. We have with us Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, as our chief guest to deliver the convocation address. A jurist par excellence, with a scorching pace of resolving matters, holding the record of the highest number of judicial pronouncements in the Supreme Court till date in his tenure. He is a jurist who can see the larger canvas of justice and can come out with out-of-box solutions. Sir, your humility disarms any hesitation to approach you, and I had the utmost benefit of your mentorship, guidance, and support at our council, and especially during the paralytic time of COVID, especially. Sir, I recollect our Honorable Chief Justice of India remarked, pardon my pronunciation, आंख से दूर सही दिल से कहाँ जाएंगे जाने वाले तो हमें याद बहुत आएगा. During your farewell. Sir, we will not miss you, unlike the Supreme Court. I am elated to announce on this platform that Honorable Justice has consented to be our distinguished jurist professor from the next academic year. Sir, a hearty welcome to you. We have with us other dignitaries today, especially Honorable Mr. Justice Gautam Baduri, Mr. Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal, Honorable Mr. Justice Sam Koshi, judges of High Court of Chhattisgarh, and several other judges who have come down today to witness this event. And we also have Honorable Justice Raghuram, former Director of National Academy of Judicial Academy at Bhopal, other respected members, senior lawyers who are part of our council. There is also representation from Bar Council of India as well as Chhattisgarh today. I welcome all of them on behalf of HNLU fraternity. We are also fortunate to have today a galaxy of academicians, notably my mentor, Professor Dr. Ranbir Singh, Pro-Chancellor of IILM University, Professor Venkat Rao, Director of the International Institute of Legal Education and Research, Goa, Professor Dr. Paramjit Jaswal, Vice-Chancellor of SRM University, Professor Dr. Yajulu Meduri, Vice-Chancellor of Mahindra University, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha, Director of Indian Law Institute, Professor Dr. Vijender Kumar, Vice-Chancellor of Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, Professor Ram Kankani, Director of IIM Raipur, Professor David Ambrose, former Head Department of Law of Madras University, Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sinha, Director of IIIT Nawa Raipur. I welcome all of them for their inspirational presence today. I welcome my esteemed colleagues from HNLU, staff of HNLU to this event. Most importantly, I take this opportunity to welcome the heroes of today's event, the beloved students of HNLU, to receive their degrees, and also the scholars who are going to receive the PhD degrees. I welcome their proud parents whose dream has been fulfilled today formally. I also extend our warm welcome to the print and electronic press assembled here, my colleague, staff, and other support team of IIIT who has made this event possible. Now, as a highlight of the annual report, I will have 2-3 areas to cover. One is on campus infrastructure. The academic year of 22-23 saw a near normalcy of physical functioning with COVID clouds retreating. This year saw HNLU again adjudged as 51st among the 100 universities in the parameter of crisis management by the World Universities with Real Impact called URI of South Korea in its 2022 ranking. HNLU also retained its 6th position among the national law universities rating by the Popular Magazine of India Today. On the infrastructure front, the dining halls of both the girls and boys hostel were redesigned and air-conditioned, making dining a pleasurable experience. The girls' hostel complex was transformed to a green space with landscaping, and boys' hostel will follow suit in the next couple of months. For the first time, we allocated spacious separate rooms in the new block for LLM students, and we are going to follow suit by allotting similar independent rooms in the new block for the final year undergraduate students in the coming academic year. The initiative of Green Campus to restrict carbon emission from visitor vehicles at the gate, we have deployed 2 golf cart services transporting to hostels and other blocks. I am happy to share with all of you that NRDA, Government of Chhattisgarh, has resolved to give the access issue to the main road by allotting the land for the road and also has granted us funds. This road will be constructed very shortly with a befitting new entrance for HNLU in the coming months connecting to the so-called second gate. The HNLU Health Shield initiative last year has provided individual insurance of 1 lakh per student, a first of its kind among the national law schools. The medical center now has 2 doctors, a male and female, on a daily basis for consultation, and is also complemented by a in-residence nurse on the campus. Apart from online 24/7 psychological counseling, the university also has a counselor visiting the campus for offline meetings. This year also saw the procurement of 2 state-of-the-art ambulances, replacing the old ones to be pressed into service from the next academic session. HNLU also launched the Vice Chancellor's Means Cum Merit Scholarship this year to award financial scholarships to around 24 students of undergraduate and 6 students of PG, involving a total outlay of 30 lakhs per annum, and it will be doubled to 60 lakhs from the coming year. This will enable any deserving student not to discontinue due to lack of financial support. On the sports front, the existing 2 gymnasiums were upgraded and plans are on the anvil to provide separate gymnasiums in the new block from the next academic year. The university laid new basketball courts and there are plans for synthetic field and track construction which will begin shortly in a couple of months. Also on the cards are an indoor sports complex for squash and badminton. The university is also in the process of recruiting a male and female sport instructor in the coming academic year. Having set the general campus, the academic initiatives of 2022, among the new academic initiatives is the launch of HAAI, popularly called HAI, HNLU Academic Assistance and Internship Program, which had 8 students serving as teaching assistants. The schemes of institutional internship and research assistantship will kickstart in the coming academic session. The year's mood scene was at its best as the Hidayatullah National Moot Court Competition saw a record of 38 teams participating for a prize money of 2 lakhs in the month of March 2023. We are happy to announce that HNMCC will be henceforth called as HIMCC, meaning Hidayatullah International Moot Court Competition from 2024 with global teams participating in this event. The flagship initiatives under the digital at HNLU also took off with a renewed vigor and had sui generis a faculty seminar series which entered its second season with over 21 seminars on diverse topics relating to law and social science by the faculty. The Lex Osmos, a signature event of a single credit non-CGPA course, completing its 4th edition with 6 courses, enrolling HNLU and other law students, handled by subject experts from academia, legal professionals and policy makers. The online platform of XARCA, which is called the Out of the Box lecture series, organized a session on the occasion of World IP Day on April 26, 2022 with Dr. Unnat Pandit, Control General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. This was followed by a lecture on the occasion of International Human Rights Day on 10th December 2022 with the theme of Human Rights in a Multipolar World with a lecture delivered by Professor Venkat Rao, Director of IIU LER Goa. The HNLU Press Publication Division of HNLU released a book, Journey of 7 Decades, Constitution at Crossroads on 26 November 2022. HNLU also brought a publication report called A Study of Patent Opposition System. The Convocation event today will witness 2 more publications, one HNLU Journal of Law and Social Sciences, Volume 8, and also an edited book called Rights, Nature and Sustainability. Notable academic events this year also include Consortium of National Law Universities conducted a conclave of Vice Chancellors in HNLU on the theme Legal Education and Research on 14 September with 13 Vice Chancellors of National Law Universities coming over here and deliberating. The conclave on Constitutional Law Day was organized on 26 November with Professor Dr. Ranbir Singh and Professor Dr. Venkat Rao delivering lectures. The annual memorial lectures, which have now become part and parcel of our academic initiative, had this year, in 2022, Swami Vivekananda Memorial Lecture, which was an inaugural lecture, which was delivered by none other than our guest of honor today, Honorable CM Shri Bhupesh Baghel ji. The second one, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Memorial Lecture on January 6, 2022 was delivered by Sushri Anushya Ukeji, former Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh. The Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Lecture on 30th January 2022 was delivered by Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India and Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. The Legal Aid and Pro Bono Club activities coordinated by Dr. Kaumudi Challa and Dr. Balvinder Kaur had many events through the calendar, including an essay competition. This is apart, there was a tremendous networking with academic institutions. HNLU signed MOU with 11 national law universities of Nalsar, NLIU Bhopal, GNLU Ahmedabad, HPNLU, NUSRL Ranchi, DSNLU, Nuals Kochi, MNLU Nagpur. HNLU also signed MOU with State Planning Commission, IILM University and SRM University and Institute of Company Secretaries of India and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board. Having said this academic highlights, now I turn to faculty and students' achievements, which needs to be mentioned here. Turning to the highlights of the faculty and student participation, the year 2022 reaped a rich harvest of publication, presentations, and winning events from faculty and students of HNLU. To highlight a few, I was designated as a CLAT convener for 2022, and I completed the assignment of common law admission test conducted in around 131 examination centers in 84 cities across 25 states with 56,472 aspirants writing the exam. The CLAT 2022 also holds the record of a litigation-free exercise. And the faculty team of Professor Uday Shankar, Dr. Vipan Kumar and Mrs. Anita Singh played a great supporting role with me in taking this challenging task of CLAT. I also served as a jury member of the Confederation of Indian Industries and Association of Chamber and Commerce for the selection of intellectual property awards of companies in 2022. I also served as a member of the Scientific Committee of Intellectual Property and Innovation Research Asia Network of Singapore. My position as adjunct visiting professor of the School of Business at the University of Buffalo, SUNY, New York was renewed in 2022 again. On the publication fronts, I was involved as a co-author with the study of patent opposition system and also be an editor of the 3 books which I mentioned earlier. My colleagues had a hectic and productive academic engagement. Professor Dr. Uday Shankar, Registrar and Dean Research, published a book chapter titled Irrigation Law and Policy in India in an edited book called Agriculture, Water Governance, Sustainable Practices and Strategies, published by NLSIO Bangalore. Co-authored an article titled Transforming the Justice Delivery System in India through Innovation and Technology Opportunities and Limitations of Integrating Technology in the Judicial System by the Korean Society of World Constitutional Study. He also co-authored on article titled National Renewable Energy, a critical essay, and also a journey, editor of the book called Journey of 7 Decades, Constitutional Discourse at Crossroads. He participated in several workshops and conferences and doctoral evaluations. Professor Yogendra Srivastav, Professor of Law, Dean PG and Controller of Exam, was co-authoring a book along with Dr. Ankit Singh in a book titled Patent, Green Technology and Innovation, published by Routledge, England. Co-edited a book called Corporate Governance in India, Changing Landscape, published by Taxman Publications. Co-authored a book titled Sports and Entertainment Law, published by Taxman Publications. Dr. Professor Jaya Vasudevan was awarded the Humboldt Fellowship at the Max Planck for Comparative International Private Law, Germany, which he successfully completed. Dr. Balvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor, participated in the 11th Worldwide Global Alliance for Justice Conference organized at the Stellenbosch University Faculty of Law in South Africa in December 2022. Professor Paparao and Dr. Ankit Awasthi published an edited book titled Corporate Governance in India, Changing Landscape by Taxman Publication. Dr. Vipan Kumar, Dean of IRAP and Associate Professor, contributed to a chapter titled Administrative Responses to COVID-19 Pandemic in India, a Critique. Dr. Pankaj Umbarkar, Associate Professor, co-edited a book called Cybercrime, Security and Cyber Forensics. Dr. Parvesh Rajput, Principal Investigator in the research project of Mahila Thana in Chhattisgarh by a major project agency of the National Commission for Women, funded by them. He was also coordinator of the Eastern Region Law Review Consultation. I have a very, very exhaustive list, and all of them are part of the website update in shortly as part of the comprehensive annual report. Now I turn back lastly to students' laurels and achievements. Mr. Avnish Prakash, Mr. Mrigang Patel, and Ms. Vanshika Agarwal were runners-up at the CCI First National Moot Court Competition organized by Chanakya National Law University. Ms. Mehat Jain was runners-up at the 9th LNLU Kaitan and Co. International Legal Essay Writing Competition and Conference on Labor Laws. Ms. Nandita Ashok, Ms. Vaishnavi Chandrakar, and Mr. Nipun Chandrakar were semi-finalists in the 29th MC Chagla Memorial Government Law College Moot Court Competition 2022 organized by the Government Law College, Mumbai. Mr. Pratish Chaturvedi, Ms. Advaita Kapoor, Mr. Arnab Roy, Mr. Litin Thomas, and Mr. Pratik Munjal participated in the 63rd Philip C. Jessop International Law Moot Competition in 2022. Happy to announce the team was awarded the Hardy C. Dillard Award for the second overall Best Memorial. Mr. Hritik Parekh, fourth year, secured the third position at the ICFA University Dehradun's National Article Writing Competition for her article. And followed by that, Mr. Priyanshu Gautam was awarded the second edition of LPUNS Study Grant, received a certificate of achievement and rupees 1 lakh. Ms. L. Anisha won the Best Paper Award for her presentation in Social Security for International Migrants. Mr. Yash Ajaria and Mr. Ansh Bharadwaj had the Best Paper titled Anti-Conversion Laws, the Legal Howlers, presented at the National Online Conference, Emerging Trends in Rule of Law, Democratic Norms and Constitutional Values at Christ University. Ms. Namisha Oja won the Best Paper Award for comprehending the legal aspects of AI, a human robot, presented at the 4th International Conference of Emerging Trends in Law, Management and Social Science. Mr. Harsh won the National Online Essay Writing Competition organized by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India on the occasion of Audit Divas. Ms. Soumi Burman won the National Legal Opinion Writing Competition by Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. Ms. Kira Dar won the Best Paper Award for her presentation on the Right to Education Conclave organized by Gujarat National Law University. Ms. Vrinda Chaturvedi was a semi-finalist in the debate competition titled 19th People Speak Parliamentary Debate of 2022, organized by the Sri Venkateswara College in New Delhi. Again, I said, it is again a very tiring big list, which I think will be putting few more things in the website. I also wish to record here, the university has completed its long pending staff recruitment with 40 staff on various positions were completed. Of them, many were long-serving ADAC employees have been regularized. It is truly gratifying to me, among many other things I could lead here, to complete this assignment with the positive help of the Executive Council headed by Justice M.R. Shah, who approved all these appointments. As a closing note of this address, I would like to briefly share a few lines of my thoughts and expression. Your role as a lawyer, academic, or a legal researcher in the coming days is distinct from the related professions of medicine and technology. The contours of the fellow professions of medicine and technology are relatively well defined. But law as a profession is complex, challenging, and exacting. This requires constant rethink and calibration. The theoretical foundations in your 5-year stay at a law school needs to be complemented by your critical thinking in practice. Theory and practice are not contenders with each other, but they are complementary in the construct. The boundaries of other fellow professions are in a way linear in progression, whereas the legal professions is jagged in its progress. The fellow professions deal with subject matters which accelerate and hence to an extent predictable. But the world of legal profession often has paradigm shifts and hence require a greater imagination and inquisitiveness. For those who graduate from national law universities, employment has never been a major issue. But how you make a mark in the profession is what matters. Thus, the focus should be on the agenda setting role you will contribute rather than that of the comfort parameters in a career path. It is easier said than done, I know that. I am a big fan of John Grisham, and John Grisham says in his Rainmaker like this: all students enter law school with a certain amount of idealism and desire to serve the public. But after 3 years of brutal competition, we care for nothing but the right job with the right firm where we can make partner in 7 years and earn big bucks. But the challenge for you is to buck this big bucks, imagination, and to serve the society for which this type of law schools have been formed and supported generously by the public at large. So, in a positive spin, I would quote George Orwell's quote, "All are equal, but some are more equal." As a legal professional, I will put it in a different way. You are more equal than others. As you are starting a journey in the professional world, the choice is with you. To be on the pedestal or to remain as pedestrian. This is your choice. It depends on your tenacity and perseverance. A worthy graduation can be summed up in the words of Cardinal Newman, founder of the University of Dublin, who remarked, "A liberal education is not about what students learn or what skills they acquire, but the perspective they have on the place of their knowledge in a wider map of human understanding." This aptly fits to legal education and its outcome more than other professionals, and HNLU will remember you on this presupposition. Wishing you the very best in all aspects of your future. Thank you.
I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly request Honorable Chancellor for declaration of convocation open.
Start again. So he knows the maroon. Honorable Chancellor, sir, may I have the honor to request you to declare the 6th convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University open.
I declare the 6th convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University open.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, this convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur, has been called to confer the degrees upon the candidates who, in examinations held for this purpose, have been found qualified for receiving the respective degrees. Sir, may I have the honor to bring before you the candidates who have qualified for the award of degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Laws, and BA LLB honors for the administration of oath.
Permitted.
Let the candidates for Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Laws, and BA LLB honors stand forward.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, please administer the oath to the candidates.
Do you sincerely promise and declare that, if admitted to the degree for which you are a candidate and for which you have been recommended, you will, in your thoughts, words, and deeds, conduct yourself as a worthy member of this university?
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
Sir, we are going in front.
Yes,
Sir, we go in front.
I call upon the following candidates to come to the dais. Rajput Shraddha Bhav Singh, Devmita Mondal,
I read it. The next is LLM, right? But he has to also have the mic in hand. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates in person and in absentia who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Laws, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates in person and in absentia for the degree of Master of Laws of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
I call upon the following candidates to come to the dais. Vasishtan P. Anamika Shukla, Harsh Gupta, Aditya Kumar, Ishal Arora, Gayatri Vati, Ishal Arora, Gayatri Vati, Kanika Lahoti, Kirti Jaggi, Manisha Bodwal, Neha Tirki, Nidhi Agarwal, Nishant Singh, Preeti, Rishabh Shingle, Rupali Goyal, Shambhavi Shengar, Shikha Sidar, Smriti Wadhwa, Shraddha Tripathi, Shutwane Anushri Sandeep, Yogaraj Barpite, Yogya Sharma,
Sir, I have to. Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates in person and in absentia who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of BA LLB Honours, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates in person and in absentia for the degree of BA LLB Honours of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
I call upon the following candidates to come to the dais. Priyesh Pathak,
Me and Chancellor are going down to confer the degree. Priyesh Pathak.
Ananya Mishra, Anuj Kumar Gupta, Rahul Thadwani, शाहिल कुमार पूर्वे, अमीशा अग्रवाल, पीयूषी मित्रा, पूर्व मिश्रा, शालोनी ठाकुर, शेफाली कोले, एस श्री लक्ष्मी, श्रुति श्रीवास्तव, आकांक्षा ओएजा, आकांक्षा मांडवी, आंचल गुप्ता, आरती ध्रुव, अभिषेक चौहान, आदित्य एच भाटिया, आकांक्षा खंडेलवाल, अमीशा श्रीवास्तव, अमृता सोनी, अमृता श्रीनिवास देशिकान, अनीमा इक्का, अनिरुद्ध मिश्रा, अनीशा बोथरा, Anshuman Agarwal. Anuj Jod. Anupam Pandey. Anushka Chaudhary. Arjun. Arpit Parag. अस्तित्व श्रीवास्तव. अविरल त्रिपाठी. आयुष सिंह. B.A. शुक्लाजा. भव्य महापात्रा. दीपा सिंह सिदार. दीपक कुमार पटेल. डेनिस नारायण नेताम. दीक्षा किंडो. दिव्या बंजारा. फाल्गुनी गुप्ता. गौरव चौरसिया. गौरव सोमानी. गौतम गोदवानी. हर्ष मवार. हर्ष राय. हेमंत प्रसाद. Himanshi Baghel, Iniago Nancy Minch, Janvi Sarkhel, Khushbu Singh, Kirti Gupta, Kritika Chandel, Kunal Bachle, Madhvi Vangani, Mashuma Rizvi, Mihir, Moksha Sharma, Naman Kumar Sharma, Nikhil Kumar, Nikita Bara, Nishita Vaish, Pragya Jain, Prayush Sharma, Prince Todi, Radhika Agarwal, Radhika Sharma, Rashi Singh, Riddhi Daga, Ritesh Bhoi, Rohil Kenyu, Rutvi Garg, Sakshi Sharma, Sakshi Singh, Sakshi Burma, Shampriti Bakshi, Samrat Banerjee, Shaundarya Verma, Shailendra Singh Yadav, Sharon David, Shashwat Mishra, Shishir Netam, Shivika, Shri Dubey, Shreem Thite, Shubham Singh, Siddhant Singh, Siddharth Agarwal, Shingda Verma, Sumesh Rai, Shuvarna Suresh Gupta, Tanvi Jain, Teshank Dhruv, V. Twinkle, Vanshay Kaul, Vartika Tikku, Yash Anand, Yash Dilip Washnikar, Yashashvi Dhruv, Yashpal Devdas, Yavi Priya Gupta, Yogesh Pachoria, Nikita Sharma, Aman O. Ohri, Ghanshyam Meena, Maulik Shrivastava, Pratyush Pandey, Rahul Kumar Singh, Sarthak Sharma, Shivam Singh, उद्देश विजय वर्गीय, विजय कुमार चावला, आस्था दुबे, जगदीश्वर कूतियाल, Kriti Gawal, Kriti Kuzur, Ramesh Chaudhary, Shivam Agarwal, Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, and the Chief Guest of the event, to hand over the gold medal. Mr. Vasistan, University Gold Medal for first rank holder, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Let Kamal Narayan Sharma Gold Medal for student securing highest CGPA, donated by Srimati Sabita Pathak. I request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, and the Chief Guest of the event, to hand over gold medal to Ms. Anamika Shukla. Sri Jogi Ram Agarwal, son of late Sri Kripa Ram Agarwal, Ratanpur, care of Justice Sanjay Kumar Agarwal, gold medal for highest cumulative marks in technology and law, specialization including dissertation for girl students for LLM program. I request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, and Chief Guest of the event, to hand over gold medal to Mr. Harsh Gupta. Sri Virendra Kumar Agarwal, son of late Sri Jogiram Agarwal, Ratanpur, care of Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal, gold medal for highest cumulative marks in intellectual property rights, specialization including dissertation for boy students for LLM program. Now I request Sri Bhupesh Baghel ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh and Guest of Honor of the event, following medals are to be handed over to Ms. Ananya Mishra. University Gold Medal in Political Science for securing highest CGPA in Political Science, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. University Gold Medal in Family Law for securing highest CGPA in Family Law 1 and 2, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Chhattisgarh State Bar Council Gold Medal for first rank holder, donated by Chhattisgarh State Bar Council. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal to a girl student for securing highest CGPA, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Late Kamal Narayan Sarma Gold Medal for student securing highest mark donated by Srimati Savita Pathak. Shri Vidyadhar Mishra Memorial Gold Medal for first rank holder donated by Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Srimati Shankari Shukla Gold Medal for girl student securing highest marks in Constitutional Law 1 and 2, donated by Dr. Nirmal Shukla, Senior Advocate, High Court of Chhattisgarh. Shayyad Wakil Ahmad Rizvi Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Civil Procedure Code, Drafting, Pleading and Conveyancing, Transfer of Property Act, and Alternate Dispute Resolution taken together, donated by Sri Fazal Rizvi, Advocate, Raipur. University Gold Medal for first rank holder instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Aniruddha Bose, Judge Supreme Court of India and Honorable Visitor of the University, Mr. Anuj Kumar Gupta is awarded with following medals. Late K.P. Munshi Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in corporate law honors, donated by Sri V.K. Munshi, Advocate. Late Sayyid Afzal Ahmad Rizvi Gold Medal for best performance in criminal law and advocacy, donated by Sri Fazal Rizvi, Advocate, Raipur. Late Shri Hamidullah Khan, ex-MLA, Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Indian Penal Code, donated by Srimati Sayyida Sabnam Alvi. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Aniruddha Bose, Judge Supreme Court of India and the Honorable Visitor of the University, to award medal to Mr. Rahul Thadwani. He has bagged following medals: the Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in all constitutional law courses, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Late Chitrakant Jaiswal Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in arbitration law, donated by Sri Prashant Jaiswal. Sri Dayanand Shukla Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Constitutional Law 1 and 2 and Administrative Law, taken together, donated by Dr. Nirmal Shukla, Senior Advocate, High Court of Chhattisgarh. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Judge Supreme Court of India, to hand over gold medal to Mr. Sahil Kumar Purve. Mr. Sahil has been awarded medal, Chancellor's Gold Medal for overall best performance, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for best graduating student, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate, Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in intellectual property rights honors, donated by Dr. Raman Singh, former Chief Minister, Government of Chhattisgarh. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Judge Supreme Court of India, to hand over gold medal to Ms. Amisha Agarwal. She has bagged following medals: University Gold Medal in Labor Law for securing highest CGPA in Labor Law 1 and 2 instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Late Srimati Shanti Devi Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Law of Taxation, Direct Tax and Indirect Tax, and General Principles of Taxation taken together, donated by Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and Honorable Chancellor of the University, to hand over gold medal to Ms. Piyushi Mitra. She is awarded with late Sri Dinesh Chandra Tiwari Gold Medal for securing highest marks in criminology, but overall she should have been obtained more than 7 CGPA in BLLB honors, donated by Sri Vivash Chandra Tiwari. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Law of Torts, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and Honorable Chancellor of the University, to award medal to Ms. Purva Mishra. She gets University Gold Medal in International Trade Law for securing highest CGPA in International Trade Law honors, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal to hand over gold medal to Ms. Saloni Thakur. She gets gold medal. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in International Law, Human Rights and Environmental Law taken together, donated by Dr. Raman Singh, former Chief Minister, State of Chhattisgarh. University Gold Medal in Sociology for securing highest CGPA in Sociology, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal for handing over the gold medal to Ms. Sefali Koile. She gets late Sri Pancham Bhaduri Advocate Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Civil Procedure Code, donated by Sri Kishore Bhaduri, Senior Advocate, High Court of Chhattisgarh. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Property Law, donated by Sri Ravindra Srivastava, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Now I request Honorable Mr. Justice Sam Kosi, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, to hand over gold medal to S.S. Sri Lakshmi. She gets University Gold Medal in Jurisprudence and Legal Method for securing higher CGPA in Jurisprudence 1 and 2, Legal Method taken together, instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. I request Honorable Mr. Justice Sam Koshi, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, to hand over gold medal to Ms. Shruti Srivastava, University Gold Medal in Economics for securing higher CGPA in Economics instituted by Hidayatullah National Law University. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor V.C. Vivekanandan to hand over gold medal to Ms. Akanksha Veja. She gets late Nand Kishore Pandey gold medal for the topper student in professional ethics donated by Sri C.K. Pandey.
Last one.
I have the honor to request the Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, to kindly deliver the Convocation address.
A very warm good morning to all of you. My dear Justice Anirudh Bose, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and visitor of the Hidayatullah National Law University, respected Sri Bhupesh Baghel ji, Honorable Chief Minister Chhattisgarh, my dear brother Justice Prashant Mishra, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Chancellor of the Hidayatullah National University, Professor Vivekanand, Vice Chancellor of the University, brother judges from the Chhattisgarh High Court, other distinguished persons on and off the dais, distinguished members of the General Council and the Academic Council, professors, faculty members, proud parents, and most importantly, my dear students who are eagerly waiting for today's function. Welcome to the 6th Convocation ceremony. First of all, I congratulate my dear students who have completed their studies in law and receiving their degrees today. I congratulate the proud parents of the students who have already received the degrees. Because of the hard work and with great hope, you have studied in this esteemed university. All students who got the degrees today shall first thank God and thereafter to their parents, because of whose efforts and best wishes you have completed the studies. It is a privilege to be invited to address a group of young men and women who are at the threshold of their career and in the profession of law. It is an honor to have been invited to deliver an address on the convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University. Dear friends, today you will leave the portals of the HNLU. For those who leave the portals of HNLU today, The convocation ought to be happy, even festive. Occasion of saying goodbye to your teachers, tests, and exams, and to celebrate the release from the panoptic surveillance structure of the HNLU campus. There shall be mixed feeling. Also, as you stayed and studied and lived for 5 years altogether, and you will have to leave your dear friends. All friends coming from the various parts of the country who will start their second innings of their life and go to their respective places. However, continue to have the relationship and the friendship with the students with whom you have lived for 5 years. You are lucky enough that you have completed your studies from such an eminent university like HNLU, with whom I have an association since long. As described by an eminent scholar, the university is a great storehouse of learning, a great workshop of knowledge, a great laboratory for the training of men of thought as well as men of action. The university is thus the instrument of the state for the conservation of knowledge, for the discovery of knowledge, for the distribution of knowledge, and above all, for the creation of knowledge makers. Along with study, it is the duty of every university to see that the students become a good citizen and a man of humanity, which I am sure that the HNLU, under the able leadership of Dr. Vivekanand, has fulfilled. It is said that it is the students who make the university what it is. Dear friends, from today onwards, success in life now will depend upon your ability to apply the acquired knowledge effectively for maximum benefit. You are the future of this country. You have to play a very important role in the nation building. The responsibility of improving the quality of the polity is greater in the legal fraternity which you will now join. The purpose of convocation address is to apprise those passing out of their duty and to motivate them to work towards that aim. The contribution of your generation to elevate the status of India from a developing nation to a world leader of developed nation will be decisive. You will face greater challenges, but shall also have better opportunities and equipment to meet them. Remember, life's battles do not always go to the strongest or fastest man, but soon or late, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. At this stage, I may remind you the slogan given by Barack Obama in the American president election. The slogan was, "Yes, we can, and for you, I can." Friends, life is full of uncertainties, but there will always be a sunrise after every sunset. Fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. Confidence is the best accessory. Never leave home without it. It may not bring success, but it gives a power to face challenges. God always has something to you, a key for every problem, light for every shadow, relief for every sorrow, and a plan for every tomorrow. Failure is not the opposite of success, but it is part of success. Recently, I read a story of a young boy. One day, a young kid questioned his father, "Dad, what's the value of my life?" His father, instead of answering the question, gave him a rock and said, "Go to the market and sell this rock." The father also instructed him, "If anyone in the market asks the price of this rock, just raise the two fingers and utter nothing." The boy then rushed to the market, and there he found a woman who was willing to buy that rock. She asked him the price. "This rock looks precious. How much does it cost?" "I'll put it in my backyard garden," as instructed by the father. The boy did not say a word and just raised two fingers. The woman said, $2? I'll definitely buy it." The boy went back to the father and told him, "A woman in the market wants to buy the rock for $2. The father replied, "Okay, great. Now take this rock to the museum. Again, do the same. If anyone wants to buy this rock, don't say anything and raise your two fingers." The boy went to the museum. There he found a man who was interested in buying the rock. Again, the boy didn't say anything, but raised his two fingers. The man said, $200, I'll buy for sure. The boy could not believe it. He ran back to his father and told him everything. "Dad, a man in the museum wants to buy the rock for $200. The father then asked him to go to the stone market. "Take this rock to the precious stone market. Show this rock to the owner. And if he wants to buy it, don't say anything, but raise again two fingers." The boy rushed to the stone market and sold that rock to the owner. "Kid, where did you get this rock from?" "It is one of the rarest rocks. I want to buy it." "How much does it cost?" The boy, as instructed by his father, did not utter a word but put up his two fingers. The owner said, "I am ready to buy this rock for $2,000. The boy did not know what to reply back. So he ran back to his father and said, "Dad, you won't believe this, but the owner wants to buy this rock for $2,000. The father smiled and replied, "Have you understood the value of life now? Your value matters where you decide to put yourself. Your value depends on the people you surround with, how you choose to put yourself among them. You might live your whole life thinking you were just a $2 rock. But with right people around you, you can grow and make your value to $2,000. Everyone is a diamond. All we need is to polish ourselves and be with the people who understand your value." Dear friends, from tomorrow, you will start playing second innings in your life. You might be joining the legal profession or even the judiciary. Ethics in the profession or even the judiciary is the most important requirement. Legal profession is always considered to be the noble profession, and in fact, is a noble profession. However, ethics in the legal profession is on decline. Therefore, it is the duty of each one of you to not only arrest the decline, but to work for the revival of the glory of this noble profession. The change can come by the infusion of ethics in public and private life. Each one of you is that little drop who can unite to make the rain needed for the monsoon of purity in national character to revive the parched field. Friends, everybody is brighter than somebody else in somewhere or of other. Everybody is a genius, and that one should not judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree. There is a difference and distinction between to be brilliant and to be smart. Brilliance may not be function of IQ, but only the artifice of rote knowledge. But smartness is a combination of intelligence, wisdom, good soft skills, and a pleasing personality. Therefore, try to become smart. Prove to be a great success in due course. Don't worry about being perceived a bit slow. A better future lies ahead. This is not to stop students from attaining greater heights, but to advise them the reality of the situation and assess their real worth and the value. Today, I would like to emphasize on facing the challenge to the problems that might come in your career. Face the challenges. Never be afraid of facing the challenges and or the problems. Treat all the problems and challenges and try to overcome the challenges. When you cannot control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what is happening. That is where your power is. Do not be so emotional also. You can only win when your mind is stronger than your emotions. Do not be afraid of any hurt and or any failure. If you focus on your hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on lesson, you will continue to grow. If you learn from defeat, you will not really lose. You will learn the lesson. Bear in mind, the success in life is never an accident. It is the result of right decision made at the right time. Wake up, smile, and always tell yourself that today is my day. With this commitment, you should live the life and face the challenges. I would like to emphasize and tell all of you that for success and progress in life, you should have a mentor and or hero in your life so that you will always dream to reach to the standards of your mentor and or hero. Dream big. Think big. Always have the positive thoughts. Do not allow negativity in your mind. The negativity in the mind will never lead to success, but it will lead to frustration, which may have disastrous result. Avoid negativity. Be a lion. Think like lion. There are many powerful animals in the forest than lion. Only lion believes that I can. Running away from your problems is a race you will never win. Life is like a movie. Write your own ending. Keep believing. Without positive attitude, success is called luck. With positive attitude, success is called achievement. Be a person with full of confidence, but not the overconfidence. Self-confidence is a small lamp in a dark tunnel. It does not show everything at once, but gives enough light to have the next step. Live the life with values, ethics, morality, and humanity. Have values in life. Values are more important than valuables. Keep this in mind while playing your next inning, and success will follow you. Now you will be completing your legal education and you will be joining either the litigation and or the corporate world and even the judiciary. Wherever you go, I think integrity is the single most important thing. I would like to advise to the future generation of lawyers that you will have to sweat it out and do not restrict yourself to what is taught in the law course. I wish all the best. Once again, I congratulate to all of you. From today, you will start playing another inning of your life. I pray Almighty for your success in the life. Play the game well to the best of ability with utmost sincerity, honesty and integrity. Go out and get the taste of life. Good luck to all of you. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
May I now request the honorable dignitaries on the dais to release an edited book titled Rights, Nature and Sustainability. Yes. May I now request the honorable dignitaries on the dais to release the HNLU Journal of Law and Social Sciences, Volume 8.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, may I now have the honor to request you to declare the convocation dissolved.
I dissolve the convocation.
I request the dignitaries and invitees to kindly rise for the national anthem. I request you all to keep standing till the dignitaries complete the reverse academic procession.